If you rely on solar garden lights to keep your yard glowing at night, the batteries you choose can make all the difference. Today, we're reviewing the QBLPOWER AA Ni-MH 600 mAh 1.2 volt rechargeable solar light batteries, an 8-pack designed specifically for outdoor solar lamps, garden lights, remotes, and more. Let's start with the basics. These are 1.2 volt 600 mAh AA Ni-MH rechargeable batteries. They measure 50 millimeters in height and 14 millimeters in diameter, which is standard AA size, so they fit perfectly into most solar light compartments. The manufacturer claims a power life of up to 25 months, which is impressive for rechargeables used in outdoor conditions. One standout feature is that these batteries are especially suited for Intermatic and Malibu solar garden lights. If you own those brands, this pack is a no-brainer. They can also replace other 600 mAh AA cells and often provide longer running time. But here's a crucial tip. To maximize capacity and lifespan, be sure to fully discharge the batteries before recharging. This isn't always necessary with modern Ni-MH, but QBLPOWER recommends it to maintain performance. These batteries are versatile. They can be recharged via solar cells from your garden lights or standard charging units. That flexibility means you're not tied to one charging method. In our testing, they held charge well through several nights, even with cloudy days. The 600 mAh capacity is sufficient for most decorative solar lights, providing several hours of illumination after a full day of sun. Compared to generic or off-brand alternatives, these QBLPOWER cells feel well constructed. The label is clear and the terminal ends are clean. They're also affordable, especially considering the 8-pack pricing. Now let's talk about downsides. The 600 mAh capacity is modest. If you have high drain lights or need all-night brightness, you might want to look for 1000 mAh or higher. Also, the suggestion to fully discharge each time is a bit old school. Most modern Ni-MH batteries don't suffer from memory effect, but in this case, following their advice might be wise for longevity. Overall, the QBLPOWER AA Ni-MH 600 mAh 8-pack is a solid choice for budget-conscious homeowners with standard solar garden lights. They're reliable, fit popular brands, and deliver decent runtime. If you're looking to replace tired batteries or want a spare set, these are worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Links to purchase are in the description below.